Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. So in today's video, it's another makeover. So I am making over my hand washing area. My guest bathroom does not have a sink inside the bathroom, but it's right outside the bathroom door. So where you're standing right now, you're inside the guest bathroom. So when you come out, this is the place that you land on and wash your hands. So I thought I would spruce this space up a bit, and that is what we are doing today. So I'm going to be sharing the whole step from how I drilled the shelf, how I painted the wall, how I decorated the space, all of that. I'm also going to tell you where I got everything. So pardon me, I look like this because I have just finished doing this and I did not want to dress up, put makeup and do an introduction and an outro for this video. So I just thought I should come here the way I am. Sisi ndio tuko, sindio? So without further ado, let's get into the video. I lost the footage of where we were drilling the mirror, but it was done by my local fundi.
It is slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
The first thing I'm going to do is drill holes, because what I want to do is make a floating shelf. I am using leather straps that I got from White Bull KE, and the piece of wood is what I got from the timber yard. I'm dampening the leather straps with a wet cloth so that the shelves can dry in place. I'm also going to drill holes and fasten screws for the hand towel rod. To prep the wall for painting, the first thing I'm doing is sanding it down, and this is just to smoothen the surface, remove any bumps that are on there. And also the previous wall had silk paint, so I'm just scrubbing a bit of that so that the wall can be rough, because I'm going to use a matte paint. I am mixing filler so that I can fill the vent in my wall because it was a bit broken, and it was bringing in a lot of dust and a few insects. I am taping the sides of the wall that I'm not going to paint with masking tape so that I can prevent any paint smudges on those walls. I'm also covering the mirror with a newspaper because cleaning paint is such a hassle and I do not want to do that once I'm done with everything. For the paint, I am using Duracoat Vinyl Matte Deluxe. This is in the shade Ironstone if I am not wrong.
I found a picture we took many years ago.
I'm mixing the paint with a little bit of water so that it can be easy to apply.
Said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, 'cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk.
For the first coat of paint, I am starting with the sides so that it can be precise and neat, and then I'm going to paint the rest of the wall and let it dry.
My mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car, we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Away out of this small town, got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car. We passed out counting stars. Promise all.
This particular paint dries very quickly, so after about 30 minutes, I started applying the second coat of paint.
These years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Try to replace you with somebody out there. If I didn't chase you, would you even care? And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
After the paint was completely dry, I removed the tape from the sides and also the newspaper from the mirror. But as you can see, there are tiny smudges that covered the wall that wasn't to be painted. But since the paint that is on that wall is silk, I just used a damp cloth and cleaned that up.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for.
With the dirty part of the job being finished, let's start decorating. This was my favorite part.
The things we do, yeah. Dropped out without a choice.
I got these shelf leather straps from White Bull KE last year when they had a Black November sale.
Yeah, hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's.
The picture frame and the lantern were bought from House of Leather, but the toothbrush holder was thrifted.
Sleeping sooner.
I got the hand wash amber bottle from Label Me Pantry Kenya, but the 4 succulent plant is from Home Decor 254. The stool you see here is my bedside table, and then the eucalyptus is from Home Decor 254 as well, and the jar that it's in is a recycled coffee jar.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy.
I thrifted this rug, but you can get a similar one from Instagram decor shops.
Lazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel to the night.
I'm going to place our hand towel on this rod, but when we have guests, we'll swap it with a paper towel as it will be more sanitary. And also I got the straps from White Bull KE.
Flying.
For our bin, I got this sisal basket from Erica's Antique. Inside it, there is a clear plastic jar so that it can be easy to clean when people throw in their paper towels.
Wanna take on the world and do something? Would you buy my?
So this is the before, guys.
Sorry, like it's nothing. Wanna buy you, think that you want it. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do.
So this is the after, guys. I love how the space turned out. I love how the white contrasts with the black, but at the same time the light wood brings in some warmth. It's perfect. I am in love. My vision came to life, guys, and it's perfect. It's absolutely gorgeous.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come
much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're motivated to make over your spaces. If you want something and I have not mentioned it, or if you have a question, kindly comment down below and I will be glad to answer it, to either tell you where I got something, or if you're thinking of maybe upgrading your space, I will be glad to share my thoughts with you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2022, and I'll be really glad if you came on board to help me out. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.
Why are you